Hello friends and welcome to StudyIQ. I'm Joycey Joy and today we will be discussing about K-Fon, which is Kerala's internet connection project. So the government of Kerala, the state government of Kerala has introduced a new project which is popularly known as K-Fon. So this is an internet connection project. So in this lecture we will be discussing about what is this project all about, what is the current affair, what are the key provisions of this project, that means what are the proposals of the government under this project, what are the benefits of this project, what is the significance or the benefit of this project, also what is the significance of this project. Also we will discuss about the internet penetration, the rate of internet penetration in India, and also here we will discuss about the state-wise distribution of internet penetration in India. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss today under this particular lecture. So let us begin with the current affair. So let us see what is the current affair. Now the current affair is that the Kerala government, the government that is the state government of Kerala, has officially declared a project called K-Fon. So K-Fon, the project, it aims to provide free high-speed internet to BPL families. So the target group is BPL families and it targets to provide almost 25 lakh families with high-speed internet connection. So this is a program or a project where the government is targeting at economically weaker families, that is the BPL or the below poverty line families, to provide them with free high-speed internet connection. So this is the current affair. So based on this, let us continue this lecture. Let us see what are the key provisions of this project. Now first one, the government, that is the state government, has accorded administrative sanction for rupees 1,548 crore to this project, and the target is to complete this project by the end of 2020, that is by December 2020. So the target is December 2020. So project will be completed by December 2020. And the government has allocated 1,548 crore for this. Now, secondly, the project envisages a state-wide optical fiber network. So, what is the purpose of this optical fiber network? The purpose is to link houses and offices. So, houses as well as government offices will be linked through this optical fiber network. So, this is the second feature. Now, third one, this optical fiber network will be set up by the KSEB. KSEB is Kerala State Electricity Board Limited. So KSEB, which is a PSU, public sector undertaking in Kerala, state PSU, and also the KSIT, that is Kerala State Information Technology IT Infrastructure Limited. So they will create this optical fiber network. Now the fourth feature of this project is that this also aims at providing internet connectivity at affordable rates that do not fall under the category of BPL. So, in the current affair, we have seen that the aim of this project is to cover almost 20 lakh families who falls under the category of BPL or the below poverty line. So, high-speed internet would be provided to BPL families. So another feature of this project is that apart from the BPL families, APL families, that is above poverty line families, would also be included, but they will have to pay some minimum amount, that is some affordable rates would be charged from them. So this is the fourth feature. Now next one, licensed internet service providers and the cable TV operators. So internet providers, those who have got a license, and also the cable TV operators, they can utilize the optic fiber network to provide services to the citizens. So this is another feature. So this services or this fiber network, optic fiber network, will be open to licensed internet providers and also the TV operators, cable TV operators, to provide services to the citizens. Now let us come to the financial assistance part. So the scheme is being implemented with the financial assistance from KIIFB. So what is KIIFB? It is Kerala Infrastructure Investment Fund Board. So this board will be responsible for providing financial assistance, that is the monetary assistance to this project. So these are the key provisions of this project which is being launched by the government of Kerala, state government of Kerala. Now, let us come to the benefits of this project. Let us see what are the benefits and the utilities. The first one, almost 30,000 government offices and educational institutions will be linked through the high-speed network. So, government institutions and educational institutions. So, they will get internet connection, high-speed internet connection through this network. Now, second thing is that this is also a push to the digitalization of government services. For example, the central government is focusing on providing digital services. It is also pushing towards a digital economy or cashless or less cash economy. So, this project which is being initiated by the state government of Kerala, this is a right step towards digitalization of the economy, at least on a state basis. So, this is very similar to e-health scheme. So, conducting activities through online. Now, how will it help in digitalization? This is because every household and every government office or school would be connected to high-speed internet, optical fiber network. So, they will have access to high-speed internet. So, definitely when we have access and affordability to high-speed internet, the services that we undertake through this internet will increase. So this will help in digitalization. And one major block or a bottleneck that acts as a barrier for digitalization in the economy is the monetary barrier. That means most of the people or the citizens in the country cannot afford high-speed internet, and the Kerala government's project rightly addresses this bottleneck or this issue by providing free internet connection to all the BPL households. BPL is below poverty line, and obviously they are the economically weaker section in a society. So by providing free internet to BPL families and affordable internet to others, definitely will address this problem of finance. So this will push digitalization in the economy. Now, thirdly, various other enterprises like the IT parks, airports, seaports, etc. will also benefit from this linkage. Also, the small scale industries or the small scale enterprises who are using e-commerce platform, they will also gain from K-Fon. So, we know that the e-commerce is gaining significance in the economy, and there are various types of small scale industries and a huge quantum of small scale industries who are dependent on e-commerce platforms. So these enterprises, small scale enterprises, will find it easy to link with the e-commerce entities, with the e-commerce establishments, and further prosper their business. So this is going to definitely help the small scale enterprises. And remember that in India we have a majority of small scale enterprises compared to large scale enterprises. So definitely they will benefit out of it. And when the small scale enterprises prosper, this will generate more employment in the economy. This will raise the income levels of people in the economy. Also, this will increase the GDP of the economy. Finally, this will lead to growth and development of the economy. So this is the outcome. So this is yet another benefit. Now, next one is that this will also help in high quality video conference and transport management. So this is another significant advantage of this project. Also, this K-Fon, which is the project of state government of Kerala, this will link all the mobile towers in the state for better mobile internet services. So this is very important. So linking of mobile towers, so this is very important. This will provide better internet services. So these are all some of the benefits of this project. Now let us move on to the significance of this project. Let us see what are the significance. Now, if things go as per the plan of the state government of Kerala, Kerala will have near universal internet access in a very short span of time. Near universal means everyone. Universal means everyone, despite of the caste, creed or economic status or social status, etc. So, if the plan goes out well, works out well, then Kerala will be having a near universal internet access. That means all the citizens in the state of Kerala or all the residents, we can say. This is because citizens, this term citizens we use in case of a country. But residents, the residents in the state of Kerala, they will have access to internet facilities over a short period of time. Now, second thing that we need to consider here is the human development. So with better internet facilities, the human development pace will increase. This is because they have wider access to all other facilities available around the globe. Also, the digitalization of the economy increases. So definitely, internet is a source or a resource through which the human development can take place. This has got widespread scope in the development of the field of education, science, technology, health, trade, commerce, anything. So human development is guaranteed, and further human development will lead to the development of a society or an economy itself. Now, one thing that has to be noted here is that Kerala is one state that already tops in most of the indicators in the human development of the country. So Kerala, when we talk about Kerala, it performs well with regard to public health, also with regard to education, with regard to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan's Swachhata campaign. So in all these parameters, Kerala is one state that has topped. So it will further lead to a development of the state of Kerala. Now, third thing is that this project has the potential to bring in a digital revolution in the state. So, I have wrongly written it as evolution, it is revolution. So, it has got the potential to bring in a digital revolution in the economy of Kerala. Now, another significance is that the government of Kerala, the state government, has identified access to internet as a basic human right. So, this is very much appreciable and commendable. This is because they have recognized that internet access is a basic human right. And what is important here is that no other state in the country, no other Indian state has recognized internet access as a basic human right. So, this is very, very significant. And now if we connect it with the UN, we will see that UN has already articulated this in the recent years to provide internet as a basic human right. So Kerala government has rightly followed the articulation of UN in this regard, and no other state in the country has done similarly. So that is why this is very significant again. And again, the role of internet's role is increasingly recognized by it in enabling the freedom of speech, reducing inequality, etc. So these are all the significances of this project called K-Fon. So very important. Now, if a question is asked on the use of internet or the need for digitalization, you can definitely mention this example. This is a very good example, and I will highly recommend that you should definitely come up with such examples to get more marks in your examination. So these are all small things that will give an advantage to your answer. So you should definitely mention this example. Now let us come to internet penetration in India. Let us see what is the status of internet penetration in India. Now, first thing that we have to notice here is that in this recent years, India has made huge leaps in the internet access, in providing internet access to its citizens, its people. So this is the general evaluation. So general evaluation is that the country has made significant gains in providing access to internet. And now when we talk about the best performing states, Delhi, that is a national capital region, has the maximum internet penetration. It has a penetration of 69%. Now, second one is the state of Kerala. The second best state, it is the state of Kerala with 54% internet penetration. Now, the project K-Fon, this will increase the internet penetration in the state of Kerala. Now, even when we talk about this internet penetration in these states and UTs, we should also note here that there are millions of people or citizens who still does not have access to internet facilities. So that is to be remembered. Now again, when we talk about the equality or equity in internet penetration or the access to internet. Now when we compare urban-rural area, internet penetration is significantly high in the urban areas compared to the rural areas. So here we will see a urban-rural gap or an inequality. So higher in urban area and lower in rural area. Now second one, when we talk about gender equality in case of internet access, again internet access or internet penetration is significantly higher for men as compared to women. So this is yet another thing to be noted. These are all very valid points that will substantiate your answer if you're writing something on digitalization or internet penetration. So what the government has to focus now, it has to focus on plugging this gaps. So equity and equality should be ensured. Now in this context, when we analyze the status of internet penetration in India, in this context, Kerala's plan or this project of K-Fon is very significant, and this will definitely be a measure in order to increase the internet penetration in the state. So such type of models can be adopted by other states as well. This can be a model for other states. So you can find the PDF of this lecture on our website www.studyiq.com. You can follow my Facebook page for more video updates. You can write to me at joycey.studyiq@gmail.com for any of your queries and clarification. Thank you.